Thinking about getting an Nespresso Citiz? In this video I'll unbox it, show you the version with the milk frother in action and help you decide if it's the right choice for your coffee setup. Alright, here's the Nespresso Citiz box. This is one of the most popular Nespresso machines, known for its sleek design and fast high quality coffee. Inside the box you get the Citiz machine, but first we get the safety first, the manual, the warranty, the drip tray and a starter pack of Nespresso pods. Now let's pull out the Nespresso machine. The machine has a 19-bar pressure pump. You can use Nespresso's own capsules or find compatible ones in most supermarkets, so there's plenty of choice depending on your taste and budget. It can hold up to 11 used capsules and features a drip tray underneath to catch any leftover coffee drips, keeping the machine clean and your counter mess free. The machine features a 1 litre removable water tank and heats up in 25 seconds. Here's the Nespresso Citiz with the built-in Aeroccino milk frother, seamlessly attached to the side of the machine. The Aeroccino has 2 fill lines inside. Use the lower line when frothing milk with the whisk and the upper line when heating milk without it. The magnetic whisk makes it easy to attach and remove, giving you smooth operation every time. Just press once for hot milk or hold for 2 seconds for cold. Fill your milk to one of the 2 max lines depending on how much you need. The light flashes red for 60 seconds and stays solid red when done. Turn on the machine, any button will do. It flashes green while heating, then turns solid green when ready. Lift the lever, insert your capsule and choose between Espresso 40ml or Lungo 110ml. Here's everything set up. Coffee ready, machine side by side, pods and guides. Personally I prefer having the built-in frother. It's neater and easier, but if you want flexibility you can always buy a separate frother. Which setup do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget unboxings. Thanks for watching.